Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning website banner using Canva Pro, the full guide. Whether you're designing for a blog, an online store, or your business website, a clean and vibrant banner can completely transform your site's first impression. And the best part? You don't need to be a graphic designer to do this. Canva makes it super easy. So stick with me till the end because I'll show you how to go from a blank page to a professional looking banner in just a few minutes. Choose a template first, head over to canva.com and log into your account. In the search bar at the top, type website banner and hit enter. Canva will instantly show you a wide range of ready-made templates, from modern and minimal designs to bold and colorful layouts. Browse through the options and pick one that best fits your brand's personality or the vibe you're going for. Once you find it, click Customize this template. This opens the design editor where you can start making it truly your own. Edit the text. Now let's personalize the text. Click on any text element to edit it. This could be your headline, tagline, or call to action. Make sure your banner includes a short, catchy message that clearly communicates your purpose. For example, if it's a business site, something like your trusted partner in growth works great. You can also change the font style, size, and color from the toolbar above to match your brand's tone, whether it's elegant, playful, or bold. Add custom images. Next, it's time to add your visuals. Go to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar and click Upload Files. Choose your own images from your device, maybe your company logo, product photos, or background graphics. Once uploaded, drag and drop them directly onto your design. Try to use high-quality images for a more polished and professional look. Replace images automatically. Here's a cool Canva Pro feature that saves time. Automatic image replacement. If your template already has an image placeholder, just drag your new image over the existing one. Canva will instantly replace it while keeping the same layout, shape, and balance. This is a great way to maintain design consistency without having to manually resize or reposition anything. Final touches. Before finishing up, make sure everything looks visually balanced. Adjust alignments, spacing, and colors so they all fit your brand style. You can also add icons, overlays, or gradients if you want a little extra flair. Once you're happy with it, click the download button at the top right. Choose your preferred format, usually PNG or JPG. And you're done, and that's it. You've just created a beautiful, professional website banner in Canva Pro, perfect for giving your site a fresh, engaging look. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more easy Canva and website design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.